Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Now in this video, this is sort of just to help me out and help anyone else out there who's got this problem. But I sell a lot of hard drives and SSDs, and quite commonly I get asked, I get a message saying, "Hey up mate, this hard drive's faulty, it's not working, blah 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 blah." And I've only had 2 hard drives that have come back because either they've been dropped on the way home, or you know, things happen. 2 hard drives out of hundreds of thousands, and the problem is it's not initialized and it's not being allocated as storage within Windows. So what happens is the customer goes home and they'll plug their hard drive in, so they've got 3 drives like this, and it's not appearing, so immediately they think it's faulty, and that's not the case. It just needs setting up in Windows. So if this is you, then this is going to help you out. If you've got an SSD, hard drive, any other storage device that plugs into SATA or needs allocating, this will help you out. So all you need to do is right click on the Windows Start button and go to Disk Management, this one right here. Click on that and this will pop up. Now if you've put in your new system more than 1 drive, you might have disk 0, disk 1, disk 2, disk 3. It all depends on how many you've put in, but all this is to initialize that disk within Windows. Just make sure that MBR is selected, which is selected by default anyway. Just click OK. Once that's done, you'll see the other drives are already in here, which are blue, and you've got one that is unallocated and got like a black colour. All you need to do to set up that new hard drive in your system that you've bought is to right click it, click New Sample, Volume, click Next. Next, that's just the max storage of the hard drive. It'll allocate it a letter, or you can make any letter that you want, but just click Next if you just want to set it up fast. You can create a label, put new hard drive, whatever, but I'm not going to. You could just name whatever you want. Click Next, and then Finish. Windows will then pick up the new drive that you set up, and then it's there in this PC. So now we've got drive F, and that's as simple as that, guys. So I hope this helps my customers out, and I hope this helps other people that struggle to set up new hard drives or storage devices in Windows. And I'll see you guys in the next video.